In this video, we will learn about multiple intelligences and natural ability. We all are born with many abilities like ability to read and write, to think, observe, to calculate, words and speech, bodily movements, sports ability, leadership, visualizing, music singing, and many other such abilities. The one ability which is the strongest out of all these is known as our natural ability. Like birds have a natural ability to fly. Similarly, in humans, it could be strong music sense in someone, while for some other, it could be doing faster calculations. Our natural ability helps us in learning and doing things quickly in that area. For example, if you are naturally gifted in doing calculations, you can learn mathematics related subjects faster. If you are naturally gifted in using body movements, you can do very well in sports or acting related works. Our natural ability is also known as our primary learning style. There are 8 different learning styles, collectively known as multiple intelligences. Let us learn more about our learning styles. Number 1. Linguistic learners. They love to read, speak and write. Their command on vocabulary or language is very strong, like a radio jockey, TV hosts, authors, speech writers. Number 2. Logical learners. They can learn, think and do things in a sequential pattern. Good in basic calculations, their number sense or mathematical sense is very strong, like bankers, CAs, engineers, businessmen. Number 3. Visual learners. They can think, learn, perceive and visualize through pictures, diagrams, geometrical patterns like architects, movie directors or pilots. Number 4. Musical learners. They understand and create music. They have a strong sense of beats and rhythms. They are singers, instrumentalists, musicians and composers. Number 5. Bodily learners. They love to use their bodies, hand and feet movements. Gestures and facial expressions are the best. They make excellent athletes, performers, dancers, actors or models. Number 6. Interpersonal learners. These folks are good diplomats, sensitive to the needs of other people and are very good at negotiation, advice or leading. They are excellent communicators and listeners. They make good leaders, politicians, salesmen, hoteliers, managers and entrepreneurs. Number 7. Intrapersonal learners. They seem to be shy, but their strength is thinking, memory and observation. They understand emotions, values and philosophy of life. They know how to set goals and maintain the discipline it takes to achieve them. Deep thinkers who often seek solitude, like spiritual leaders, doctors, researchers or inventors. Number 8. Naturalist learners. People who love nature, know the names of flowers, trees, insects and even birds. Those who love hiking, climbing mountains or working on ecological projects. People who work in Discovery Channel. They make excellent environmentalists, ecologists, zoologists or members of the Forestry Service. The combination of all these abilities is known as our learning nature. Though all of us have all these 8 abilities by birth, but there is at least one that is the strongest. Now that's our primary learning style, the natural strength or our hidden talent. For example, if we test our abilities on a scale of 1 to 10, any ability that scores more than 6 can be our learning style. More than 7 can be counted as our strength. More than 8, that's our primary learning style. And more than 9, woohoo, that's our ability, the gifted ability or talent. It's very easy to develop our strengths into talent only if we can find it out early in